Yo, what's up, fam? Buckle up because I'm about to drop some serious heat that's going to blow your mind and ignite your soul. Today, we're diving into the world of MUFEE, the game-changing, world's first smart essential oil and infusion oil maker that's about to take your DIY game to a whole new level. Trust me, you're not ready for this, but let's go. Picture this, a sleek, badass machine sitting on your counter, ready to whip up custom essential oils, infused oils, and even gummy vibes, all with the push of a button. We're talking lavender essential oil that smells like a dream, sage-infused goodness for your cooking, or orange peel vibes to spice up your life. This ain't just a gadget, it's a revolution, and it's called MUFEE. Now, let me hit you with the real story, straight from the heart of Zach, the founder of MUFEE Labs. This dude poured his life into this dream. We're talking $150 of his own savings, sleepless nights, and a hustle that'd make you cry, all to bring this magic to your kitchen. But here's the tea. They hit a rough patch. During China's insane Chunyun season, 300 million people on the move, they missed a critical Kickstarter call by 24 hours. Boom, game over. The campaign, done. The money, gone. That's the kind of gut punch that knocked most people out, right? But not Zach. Not MUFEE. Why? Because you watching this, flooded their inbox with love. Don't give up. The world needs MUFEE. Those messages hit harder than a double espresso, and now they're back. Baby. They're relaunching on Indiegogo February 19th at 10 a.m. EST, and they're slashing the price to $299, scraping their margins thin just to make this happen for us. If it funds, you'll have this beauty by June 2025. If not, instant refunds. No stress. That's the kind of commitment that gets me fired up. So what can this beast do? Oh, you're in for a treat. Want essential oils? Toss in some water, your favorite flavors, set it and forget it. Infused oils? Pick your carrier liquid, add herbs or spices, and bam, Flavor City. Gummy making? Heat, mix, pour, chill, done. And the best part? It cleans itself. Add water, a splash of cleaning fluid, hit start, and it's sparkling clean. This thing's so versatile, you'll be making candles, soaps, diffuser oils, and even leveling up your cooking and baking game. One reviewer said it best, "I made my wife a custom perfume with MUFEE." Another's out here whipping up infused butter for brownies and smoothies. This is next level, y'all. But here's the deal, they need US to make this comeback pop off. Pre-register right now on Indiegogo, links in the description, to lock in that 40% off launch discount. That's $250 saved, fam. Share this with your crew, tag your foodie friends, your DIY queens. Let's spread the word. This might be their last shot, but win or lose, they're fighting to bring love and creativity into our lives, and that's what's got me hyped. So hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and turn on notifications. Let's show some love back to MUFEE and keep this channel growing. Together, we're not just backing a product, we're backing a dream. February 19th, we ride. Who's with me? Let's make it happen, fam. MUFEE's counting on us, and I know we're about to change the game. Peace out.